Withdrawing money from Dabble. In today's video, we are going to learn how to withdraw your money from Dabble. So let's get started. Funds can be withdrawn directly to your chosen bank account by bank transfer by following these steps. So the step number 1 is you have to tap on the settings cog. It will appear as a gear icon, then choose the withdraw option in the menu. In the menu, tap on add new bank account to add your new account. They will require you to fill out the boxes and then select add bank account to save the details to your account. Please ensure this includes your full name as this is crucial for a successful payment. Once you have the bank account added, tap on the amount you wish to withdraw from your available balance and then tap on the account you wish to withdraw to. Then tap on withdraw to complete the request. Once the request is completed, your identity and bank details must be verified before your first withdrawal can be processed. This initial process might take longer due to extra security checks. Bank transfer is the only method available for withdrawals. The minimum withdrawal amount is generally 5 or your local currency equivalent. After a few successful withdrawals, your account may be eligible for fast withdrawal, which are processed within minutes if your bank supports the new payment platform or OSCO payment system. If your bank is not eligible for fast withdrawal, requests made before 3 p.m. are actioned on the same day and funds typically arrive within 1 to 3 business days. Dabble offers fee-free withdrawal services. Customer support. The customer support service team cannot add bank details or process withdrawals over the phone or live chat. All transactions must be done through the application. And that's all. That's how you will be able to withdraw your money from Dabble.